Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I want to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can um, get more exposure, outrun your competition, and of course get more patients. So first things first, I have the website along here, and the first thing that I have to strongly suggest is to add more content, and not just images, but more of wording, because the more content that you have here, especially if it's relevant, if it's original, and if you include the keywords that you're going to be found for, it will definitely help you start ranking on Google searches. But and that will be for the homepage. But then you have other pages, for example, here services. I would suggest to have independent pages for all the services that you have here, and that will also help you. Um, Many pages, same thing, have more content there, more information staff, specifically what you have here. Definitely have a couple more images of the staff or and more information will definitely help you out. Let's take a look here at the back end of your website. And you can see that you're going to be found for 43 keywords. This is bringing you around 58 visits a month to your website. And you have 48 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website and will give you power so you can put them in Google as well. If these links uh, are are of good quality, it will definitely help you to rank to increase your domain rating and your URL rating. But keep in mind that not all links are created equal. So if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you need to be found for, these will be completely useless. So let's take a look at the keywords that you are being found for really quick. And Elite Dental Manalapan, there's a branding name, uh, and you ranking number one. Dentist Manalapan, New Jersey. There's 150 searches there. Um, but you're ranking on the first page because this is just this is kind of updated, but and you can roughly two visits from the 150 searches, and I'll explain that in a second as well. Um, another keyword that you're targeting from another link. You can see it 30 searches, and you're not in the first page for this one. And this all comes to all the links that you're getting from because they seem to be giving you the powers that can be found with that specific keyword, but it seems that they're not doing quite as well. And for example, let's just go to Google and do dentist mouth and NJ for search. The first thing we're going to see here, this is an advertisement from Google pay TV. And of course, this is like the Google ads that we all seen before. Um, right here, this map section, these top three are very, very important because you definitely want to be here, especially in your local area. And then you have your local your organic results. Number one, number two, number three, number four, and you're number five over here. And something that you need to understand because 67% of the people that do our research, they only go for this top three and this top three over here. They don't scroll down all the way into the page, not even go to the second and third page. So very, very important to understand because you might be missing a lot of opportunities here. And depending on your goals, you can target other cities as well, but for the purpose of the video, I want to pull out this website and see why they're ranking number one and we're not. And we open up the website, and they, even though they don't have that much of the content here, that could be a really good advantage for you because if you have more content, you can definitely start outranking them. But they seem that they're just targeting correct keywords, and the part of the links are way, way better. So they're only being found for 143 keywords. It's giving them 81 visits a month to their website. And they have 185 backlinks. You can see that they're not doing too much here, but probably here. And if you look at the keywords that they're being found for really quick, that means dentist might happen in New Jersey. This is another one. This it just updated the ranking in one as well. And you can see that from these 150 searches, seven are going straight to the website. Let's keep a pediatric dental another service that we have. The ranking number 2 in this 40 searches a month, and not too much traffic into them. So you can understand why they're being on that first spot on Google. This is it seems that this is doing what it's supposed to be. The links have a decent quality. Even though they don't have too much content, it's helping them with whatever they have in their website. I want to pull out this report really here so you can see the volume of searches. So if you are concerned to target other areas or other cities, for example, let's see, Camden could be one. There's 200 searches a month. You can definitely target for that one. Let's take a look here. East Brunswick, 300 searches a month. Same thing. Dentist based in New Jersey, 250 searches a month. So you can target different areas and still get more, increase your business. So if you like what you hear, everything we can help you out because we can definitely help you out. And most important, if you have any other questions, whatever comes to your mind, please let us know. I'll be more than happy to assist you, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.